Client said to me yesterday, I have sleepless nights worrying about how am I going to pay the suppliers and my employees. And I get it. If you ever run a business, you know that kind of pressure. It's not just financial, it is emotional, it is personal, and you often feel isolated. And that is 24/7. That statement, even though it's painful, is actually the starting point of a deeper question. And the question you need to ask yourself is, what is actually causing the cash flow issue? Is it low sales, high expenses, the margin too thin, clients paying late? Maybe you're undercharging from the start. So cash flow is a symptom of a deeper issue. We have to get to the root cause, or we end up stuck in survival mode, month after month after month. And the second piece, or the second question that I want you to ask yourself is, what is your money story? Yes, it's personal, but as a business owner, your money story manifests in your business. So many of us have an unconscious belief like, I have to suffer to succeed. Money is hard to earn. We can't say no to clients. And these beliefs show up in our prices, how we spend money, how we tolerate unhealthy business patterns. And Bob Proctor said, results don't lie. And the same with numbers. Numbers don't lie. They reflect our mindset. And it is hard. It is hard to ask these questions. The other question that you need to ask yourself is this business still viable? Or is it time to let it go? Now, there's no shame in walking away from something that is no longer serving you. But before you do that, explore options. Can you modify or refine your model? Can you reduce the scope to improve your cash flow? In other words, can you reduce your service offering to improve your cash flow? Do you need outside help? Or is it just a temporary side income that will ease the pressure of this cash flow problem? You don't have to quit to pivot. Sleepless nights aren't just a thing, they're actually quite dangerous. You can't make good decisions when your nervous system is in survival mode. You need clarity. And clarity comes from structure, support, and honest reflection, not from panic and anxiety. If you're carrying this alone, please talk to someone. Coach, a mentor, a financial guide. Sometimes we're just too close to the chaos to clearly see the issue. And that's what I want to leave you with. Cash flow is a signal. It's not a failure. You are not your business. Your worth isn't measured by your bank balance. And asking tough questions is a sign of leadership. It's not a weakness. So if you're in that space right now, please take a breath. Then take a step. The smallest step that you can take to get you out of this situation, to get you to realize the root cause of the problem. The smallest step. So let me know in the comments below, what's that one thing about your money mindset or business model that you are starting to question? If there's a topic that you want me to discuss in future, also leave it in the comments below. And if you find value in the content, please share the content so others can benefit from it as well.